Hi, this is Cheryl Traxler, and look at this rainforest behind me, so lush and green and beautiful, and the tall trees, oh, and the birds. I love all the birds I get to see and hear from my rainforest, and I live on an island in Alaska, and it is beautiful, and it's sunny today, and I'm so thankful. And when my kids were young, I started a home-based business, and now I've got 7 grandkids. Can you imagine what a blessing? And I never ever regretted starting a home-based business. It was the best choice I ever made. I'd never go back. And when my children would wake up in the morning, I would be there to greet them. And I would be there to take care of them, to feed them, to love them, to train them. And that is one of the incredible perks I loved about working from home. One of the beautiful perks, too, of living on an island is the harbor. Beautiful harbor with the mountains and the water and the fishing boats and the rides. You can go out and enjoy the nature out and just enjoy being out on the water. And one thing I really love about working from home too is the time freedom. Like if your kids need something, you can be there. Doesn't matter. You are free. Like my mom needed her knee replaced, an operation, and I was able to go spend time with her the entire time she needed me, not just a little bit or not at all. I had that freedom. I could do whatever I wanted and stay as long as I needed to, which is really comforting to me to be able to do that for my mom. And I really appreciate having an income that's consistent, and appreciate the freedom, of course, and so many other things that come with it. But I really would love to help you have freedom too. So thanks. Hey, this is the Princess Boss Lady, and I have some tips for you to have success online. And the tip today is going to be about consistency. Now, if you're going to do a business online, you definitely have to be consistent. I mean, it's a business, not a hobby, and that's the key. You have to work it. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a real business, and you have to put the work in to make the money. If you're looking for that, just this isn't for you then. And consistency is really the key, one of the keys that makes you successful. And I'm going to tell you what I'm talking about here, and that is if you do something consistently, like Monday through Friday, you do the same task every day. They're not hard, they're simple, but you're consistent. You don't get up one day morning and say, oh, I don't feel like it today. You know, that's not going to work. You have to be consistent. You have to do your task, your work every day. It's not hard, but it has to be done regularly for you to get results. It's just that simple. Now, I did that in getting started with this new business I'm in, and I did consistent tasks, simple tasks every day, and in less than a week I made $350 because I was consistent, I did the work, and it paid off. Just that simple. In fact, in 5 weeks I made $1,500. So it's really important that you are consistent. It makes a huge difference in the results and the outcome. And really, being consistent creates those habits that give you the absolute key to what you need to do to be successful. It's not hard. It's not, and we have this kind of a team that we have a lot of support, and we lay out the tasks exactly how you do them. Very simple, not hard, and that's what all the great home-based businesses, people that are very successful, do. You know, there's simple things they do on a regular basis that makes the difference for them, and that's what it takes. And so if you do that, then that's going to make a big difference in the outcome. So I just want to let you know that is really important, that you're consistent and that you don't treat it like a hobby, and that you do it regularly no matter what you're doing. If you want to be on a diet and you want to actually make a difference, if you're not consistent, it won't work, right? I mean, it doesn't matter what you're doing. That is so important. Well, it's vital for being an entrepreneur online and working from home And I have found that is the key, one of the keys to you being successful. So if you want to check out what I'm doing, just go to my description below and get on my website and check it out. So thanks for watching. Bye from Alaska.